In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly change your branding, the colors in your Salesforce org to match your company branding. So I'm just going to use a little example from this small book company, I think, called Amazon. I've downloaded a couple of their logos and we will see what we can do. So first thing you need to do is go to Setup, and then in the Quick Find, you're going to look for Themes and Branding. And they have a few out of the box. You probably have the default one, lightning blue. But I'm going to create a new theme called Amazon theme. And I'm going to start by changing the logo right here. So you notice it says 600 by 120, so you need to try to find one that fits. We'll see if this one gets in there. Ooh, not even close. You can zoom in, but it looks like you can't zoom out. So let me try another one, and hopefully you're not just stealing them from online. You can get it from your company's branding department. All right, well, this one's a little bit better. That's about as good as I'm going to get. So I'm going to save that logo right here. And then when it comes to brand colors, you could try to eyeball it. I would never do that because I am pretty crazy colorblind. But there's a Chrome application that I use called Eyedropper. You can just download it. It goes right onto your upper right hand corner of your Chrome browser. And what it allows you to do is just pick any color. So I'm going to pick that Amazon color right there, and it gives you the hex code for it. I think their other color is black, so kind of don't need to worry about that one. All right, and then as far as the colors, we can decide maybe we do black for this background right here for the brand color, and then for the page background we'll see how that orange looks. So let me copy that hex code real quick. Some dark orange, see how that looks. Okay, some other things you can do besides adding that logo and changing the palette colors is add some banners to groups or your profiles, as well as maybe images for those logos or those face profiles right there. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to click Save and then Activate. You can see right away we've got some orange in the background, a little bit of black right there, and then the Amazon logo in the upper right hand corner. So this is us back here in Setup, and then in the front end, hit a refresh, and yeah, we've got that same branding right here. So that's how you update the brand. And the next one, I'm going to show you how you can make a custom application specifically for your company that has some branding in it as well.